This video lecture we are going to discuss about fluid mechanics. In this lecture we are going to briefly discuss about problems on viscosity. Formula used in problems of viscosity. First, viscosity. Mu is equal to tau divided by du by dy, where mu is viscosity in Newton second per meter square, tau shear stress in Newton meter square, du change in velocity meter per second, dy change in distance in meter. Okay, du by dy is also known as velocity gradient or rate of shear strain. The next formula is shear stress. It is denoted by tau. Tau is equal to force by area. Tau is equal to F by A, where tau shear stress in Newton per meter square, F force in Newton, A area in meter square. The next formula is power. It is denoted by letter P. P is equal to F into du, where P power in watts, F force in Newton, du change in velocity in meter per second. The last formula is kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is equal to dynamic viscosity by density of the given fluid, where kinematic viscosity in meter square per second, mu dynamic viscosity or viscosity in Newton second per meter square, rho density in kg per meter cube. Problems on viscosity. First problem. A plate of 0.05 mm distance from another plate moves at a speed of 80 centimeter per second and requires a force of 3 Newton per meter square to maintain the speed. Determine the viscosity of fluid in poise. First, make a note over here. They have given force, but the unit is in Newton per meter square. Normally, for force, the unit is Newton. If the data is being given with a unit of Newton per meter square, that is your shear stress. Okay. Next, given data. The distance between the two plates dy is equal to 0.05 mm. In order to convert into meter, divided by 1000. So it will be 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Next, change in velocity du is equal to 80 centimeter per second. To convert into meter per second, divided by 100. Therefore, it will be 0.80 meter per second. Tau is equal to 3 Newton per meter square. See, go through the problem over here. They have given only one velocity over here. So, we are going to take your initial velocity as 0 and your final velocity as 80 centimeters per second. Therefore, your du is equal to 80 centimeter per second. Solution. This is the two plate where your bottom plate is fixed and your top plate is been moving. Okay. The force required to move the plate is F and A. This is your surface contact area. So consider this is our fixed plate and this is our moving plate. The distance between these two plates is dy and the top plate moves at a velocity of du. First, shear stress. Tau is equal to mu into du by dy. We know that tau is equal to 3 and du as 0.8 and your dy as 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Substituting your values over here, we get mu is equal to 0.1875 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton second per meter square. They asked us to find the viscosity of fluid in poise. Therefore, 1 Newton second per meter square is equal to 10 poise. So it will be mu is equal to 0.1875 into 10 to the power minus 2 poise, or we can say mu is equal to 1.875 into 10 to the power minus 3 poise. Problem number 2. A plate of area 3 into 10 to the power 6 mm square is pulled at a speed of 0.8 meter per second relating to the another plate located at a distance of 0.3 mm from the fixed plate. Find the force and power required to maintain the speed if the fluid separating the plate with a viscosity of 2 poise. Given area A is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 6 mm square. In order to convert into meter, we are dividing by 1000 square. Since it is mm square over here, so it is 1000 square. So it will be 3 meter square. Change in velocity du 0.8 meter per second. Change in distance dy 0.3 mm. In order to convert into meter divided by 1000, therefore it will be 0.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Viscosity mu 2 poise. So in order to convert the unit of viscosity in Newton second per meter square divided by 10, therefore it will be 0.2 Newton second per meter square. Solution. This is our fixed plate and this is our moving plate. The distance between these two plates is dy. The moving plate moves at a velocity of du. First, shear stress. Formula tau is equal to mu into du by dy. Substituting the value of mu, du and dy, we get the shear stress tau is equal to 533.33 Newton per meter square. Your next force. Tau is equal to force by area. We know that your tau as 533.33 and area A as 3 meter square. Substituting over here, we get force F is equal to 1599.99 Newton. Last step, power. Power P is equal to F into du. We have already calculated the force value as 1599.99 and the change in velocity du is given in the problem as 0.8. Substituting, we get P is equal to 1279.99 watts. Unit conversion. Watt is equal to joules per second. We know that joules is equal to Newton meter. Therefore, watt is equal to joules per second. Instead of your joules, I will substituting it as Newton meter. So go over here. We are substituting your force in Newton and your du velocity in meter per second. Therefore, we get the power unit as watts. It also can be written as 1.279 kilowatt.